Hello friends, good morning. I'm Akshay Prajapati once again back. Welcomes to the everlasting learning. दोस्तों आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए कि चैट जीपीटी से बात कैसे करते हैं। हम चैट जीपीटी से आपको लाइव टॉकिंग करके बताएंगे। अगर आपको भी इस तरह से टॉकिंग करना आता है तो आप ज़रूर इसका काफ़ी अच्छा फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं। देखते हैं हम कैसे लाइव टॉकिंग करते हैं। ओके चैट जीपीटी, आस्क मी सम क्वेश्चंस प्लीज़। चैट जीपीटी, आस्क मी सम क्वेश्चंस दैट आई आंसर यू।
Of course, I'd love to. Let me ask something a bit different. What's something new you've learned recently that really surprised you or just sparked your curiosity?
Yeah, of course. The curiosity is that I didn't use very much. I didn't use very much English in my daily and professional life, and I started it using too much. In that is very surprising to me.
That's really cool. It sounds like you're pushing yourself out of your comfort zone, and it must feel really empowering. Is it helping you in any specific areas, like school or maybe with future goals?
Yeah, of course. My future goal is to make and popularize English in India, especially the students who are going to who are going for the interviews and want to deliver their speech in the English language, so that it may be get viral a bit among around the world.
Wow, that's an amazing goal. You'd be making such a big difference, especially for students who may not have that kind of support.
Yeah, of
Are you
course.
thinking of starting a program?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, if you do decide to start something like a workshop, a YouTube series, or even a small
Yeah,
community
of course.
group, I'd love to hear about.
I'm going to launch a YouTube course on my YouTube channel, Everlasting Learning, especially for my dear friends that may help them to learn it quite like me and make it very easy for them. And that is my goal, and I will definitely achieve it. And I'm going to give them a simple and fantastic strategy that will definitely help them and to learn it quickly and fastly.
That sounds incredible. I think your passion is really going to shine through, and I bet your friends will appreciate how approachable you make it. If you need any ideas on structuring the lessons or just some feedback, I'm here for that too.
Yeah, of course, you have good ideas, and also I have the good ideas, but I'm going to execute them according to like me, because in my early days, I didn't know how to speak it, and definitely I started it learning and fastly, and I want these changes must be happened in my dear friends.
I love that approach. You really get where they're coming from because you've been in their shoes. I'm sure that personal experience is going to make your course so relatable and effective. I can't wait to see it come together.
Yeah, and this is going to be the biggest change. If any person in a family and they started to speaking it is going to be a big change in the family, and also the new generations will learn it from their family members, and that is going to be happen soon.
Exactly. It's like a ripple effect. Once one person starts, it can inspire everyone around them. You're really building something powerful, and I can see how much heart you're putting into it.
Yeah, of course, I'm going to make it very powerful, and the peoples are scared of, especially in India. They are not using it, and they are not utilizing it. They are scared. They are scared. The people are going to taunt them, and they are not engaging in it. And because and some people are jealous of the somebody is speaking before them but these things must be changed.
Absolutely. And you're so right. A lot of people hold back because they fear making mistakes or being judged, but with your guidance, I think you can help them build that confidence.
Yeah, of course,
It's going to make a huge
I am going to do that. Definitely I will achieve that.
I have no doubt you will. Just keep that passion and consistency going, and step by step, you'll make a real impact.
Yeah, of course, I will
Really
share
excited
on.
for you.
I am going to share. I am going to share everything step by step in my YouTube channel, Everlasting Learning. That will help my dear friends to learn it quickly and fastly.
That's perfect. I'm sure your channel is going to be such a great resource. And by sharing your journey, you're also showing them it's totally possible. So I can't wait to see it all unfold.
It is a personal experience because I didn't know even a word, but I learned it from zero to superpower and super level, and that is going to keep going and at that level, and that is my missions and only goal.
That's such a powerful story, and it's really inspiring that you went from zero to this super confident place. I have no doubt you'll help so many others do the same. Keep
Yeah,
that fire going.
yeah, of course, that is true.
I'm really glad you're holding on to that drive. If you ever need a sounding
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस तरह से हमने चैट जीपीटी से आपको बात करके दिखाया। अगर आप भी रियल में इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं तो आपको चैट जीपीटी का यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, कोई सा भी एआई का यूज़ करना होगा और उससे आपको डेली कुछ ना कुछ प्रैक्टिसेस करनी पड़ेगी, तब जाके आप अच्छे से इंग्लिश बोलना सीख सकते हैं। और आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल से जुड़िए हैं दोस्तों, हम आपके साथ छोटी छोटी ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स शेयर करेंगे जिससे आप डेफिनेटली इंक्रीज़ कर पाएंगे। क्योंकि मैं भी आपकी तरह ही कहीं ना कहीं कह रहा हूँ, लो लेवल का पर्सन रहा हूँ और जिसको इंग्लिश नहीं आता था, जिसको कुछ भी नहीं आता था, एक वर्ड भी नहीं आता था, बट मैंने सीखा इसको। अगर आप मेरी स्ट्रेटजी को फॉलो करेंगे और आप उसके अनुसार चलेंगे तो डेफिनेटली आप भी इसको अचीव कर पाएंगे दोस्तों। तरीके सभी के होते हैं दोस्तों, बट मेरा पर्सनल तरीका है, जैसे भी मैंने सीखा है इसको उसी तरह से मैं आपके सामने इसको रखूँगा। और मैं बेसिकली एक टीचर हूँ जो मैं 12th तक और जो अपर क्लासेस हैं हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर भी पढ़ाता हूँ, और साथ साथ मैं प्राइवेट टीचर भी हूँ, तो मैं आपको अच्छे से गाइड कर पाऊँगा। और डेफिनेटली ओके दोस्तों, फॉर वॉचिंग मी, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग मी वंस अगेन। और हम डेली आपके लिए अच्छी सी क्लासेस लाएंगे और अच्छे अच्छे टॉपिक्स पे हम बात करेंगे कि कौन सी चीज़ आपके लिए मायने रखेगी और कौन सी चीज़ आपके लिए मायने नहीं है, और कौन सी चीज़ किस तरह से होनी चाहिए। हम सारी चीज़ें आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे दोस्तों। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग मी वंस अगेन। और अब आपको अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे, हेल्पफुल लगे, तो ज़रूर आप लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को, और आप हमारे चैनल से जुड़िए दोस्तों। थैंक यू।